Hey, Mark McDonald here, nutrition and fitness expert. Detoxing your body prepares you for the second phase of the program, your Ignite phase. The Ignite phase activates your metabolism and accelerates your fat burning potential. A burning question for most, especially as we get older, is how do I get rid of my belly fat and my endearing love handles? I've been right there with you a few times in my life, and after I got over the gut reaction of wanting to just rip my fat out, I realized I needed to get smarter. And that's what your 21-day Ignite phase is all about. You'll be focusing on 3 easy steps. You'll burn, sculpt, and restore. You'll burn your fat by adding more food and Zen Shape. You'll sculpt your body with cardio and strength training, focusing on working out smarter, not harder. And you'll help restore balance in your body with Zen Fuze. The match is lit, your furnace is ignited. Get ready for the fat burning to begin.